Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Whirlpool W11106747 is probably one of the most sought-after appliances in modern kitchens, and for good reason, as it combines innovative features with a sleek design that can elevate any culinary space, making it a worthy investment for those who value both performance and aesthetics in their home. Number 5. Romalon W11106747 Dryer Stacking Kit. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This stacking kit is designed to help you make the most of your space by securely stacking your dryer on top of your washer. Everything you need is in the box. You'll receive washer feet, hooked brackets, plastic clips, and screws for a complete installation. This stacking kit is designed to be compatible with many popular brands, including Kenmore, Maytag, and Whirlpool washers and dryers. Installation is straightforward with common tools. While it's recommended to have a second person assist for safety, the included instructions and available videos will guide you through the process. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this stacking kit is built to last, ensuring safe and effective performance for years to come. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer replacements or refunds. Feel free to contact us with any questions about compatibility. What we like. This stacking kit is designed to help you make the most of your laundry room space. It's easy to install with basic tools, and made from durable materials for long-lasting performance. If you have a small laundry area and want to stack your dryer on top of your washer, this is a great solution for you. What people say. The Whirlpool W11106747 is a great appliance for any kitchen. It has a sleek design that will complement any decor. The appliance is also very user-friendly and easy to operate. Number 4. W10396887 Washer Basket Drive Hub Kit. Introducing the upgraded Drive Hub Kit, designed to bring your washing machine back to optimal performance. This essential component ensures your washer agitates and spins effectively. This kit is engineered for broad compatibility, fitting a wide range of top brands like Maytag, Whirlpool, and Kenmore. It's a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring a seamless fit. With compatibility across many specific models, including those from Whirlpool and Maytag, you can be confident this part will work with your appliance. Check our list to confirm it's the right fit for you. You can easily install this durable part yourself, saving time and money. It's the perfect solution for common washer problems like not agitating or spinning properly. Crafted from premium, high-quality materials, this Drive Hub Kit is built to last. It meets OEM standards, guaranteeing reliable and long-lasting operation for your appliance. The package includes the Drive Hub Kit and a drive block retainer for a complete repair solution. Replacing a worn-out hub is crucial to restore your washer's agitation and spin functions. What we like. This upgraded Drive Hub Kit is built to fit a wide range of popular washer brands and models. It's made with premium quality materials and is designed to fix common problems like not agitating or spinning. If your washing machine is experiencing these issues and you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install replacement part, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Whirlpool W11106747 refrigerator has a spacious interior with adjustable shelves, making it easy to organize groceries. This model features a convenient ice maker that produces ice quickly and efficiently. The exterior finish is fingerprint resistant, keeping the appliance looking clean with minimal effort. Number 3. Whirlpool W11106747 Door Boot Seal. Ensure your appliance runs smoothly with this genuine OEM replacement part. It's designed to fit perfectly and maintain optimal performance. This is a direct replacement for your original door boot seal. You can trust its quality and compatibility for a seamless installation. Crafted with durability in mind, this seal is built to last. It provides a reliable barrier, preventing leaks and maintaining efficiency. Proudly manufactured in the United States, this part meets high standards of quality and craftsmanship. You're getting a product made with care. Specifically designed for model number W11106747, this door boot seal is the perfect fit. Restore your appliance to its original condition with this essential component. What we like. This is a genuine OEM replacement part, ensuring the highest quality and perfect fit for your appliance. It's manufactured in the United States for reliable performance. If you are looking for an authentic replacement part for your specific Whirlpool model and prioritize quality and origin, this door boot seal is the ideal choice. What people say. The Whirlpool W11106747 is a great replacement part that fits perfectly. This part is exactly what I needed and it works just like the original. Number 2. SealPro Washer Door Bellow Boot Seal Gasket. Crafted from high-quality, durable rubber, this replacement part is built to last. It offers excellent resistance to wear and tear, ensuring reliable performance for your appliance. Designed for a wide range of Whirlpool washers, it provides a perfect fit. You can trust its optimal functionality across various compatible models. Replacing your old seal is a breeze with this easy-to-install part. You can quickly and effortlessly get your washer back in working order. This essential component acts as an extra layer of defense for your washing machine. It effectively prevents water leaks, safeguarding your appliance from potential damage. Ensure your washer operates efficiently and without leaks with this top-quality seal. Its robust design guarantees long-lasting protection and performance. What we like. Constructed with durable rubber, this washer door gasket offers long-lasting performance and effectively prevents water leakage. It's designed for universal compatibility with many Whirlpool washers, making installation simple. If you're experiencing leaks from your washer door or want to enhance its protection, this easy-to-install gasket is a practical choice. What people say. The Whirlpool W11106747 is a great addition to my kitchen. It has a sleek design and works very efficiently. I love the spacious interior which allows me to store a lot of food. The build quality of this appliance is excellent. It feels very sturdy and durable, which is important for a kitchen appliance that gets a lot of use. The controls are intuitive and easy to operate. I appreciate the energy-efficient features of the Whirlpool W11106747. It has helped me save on my electricity bills without compromising on performance. The quiet operation is also a big plus. Number 1. Washer Door Seal WP8182119. This is a direct replacement part for your washing machine. It's designed to perfectly fit your appliance, ensuring a secure seal. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, this component is built to last. It provides a reliable seal to prevent leaks during operation. Replacing your old door seal is straightforward with this part. It's designed for a hassle-free installation, saving you time and effort. Don't let a faulty seal disrupt your laundry routine. Restore your washing machine's performance and prevent water damage with this essential part. This part is compatible with several manufacturer numbers, including WP8182119, W10003800, and AP6011758. Ensure it's the right fit for your model. What we like. This door seal is a direct replacement for your washing machine, ensuring a high-quality seal to prevent leaks. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. If you need to replace a worn-out or damaged door bellow boot and want a part that guarantees a tight seal and straightforward installation, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Whirlpool W11106747 is a high-quality replacement part that fits perfectly. This part is easy to install and works just like the original. The design is sturdy and it feels like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.